Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello potential employers. Allow me to take you a couple of minutes for me to explain to you why hiring me can benefits your company. My name is Ikhwan Fidos bin Zakimani. I am 20 years old and I'm currently in my third year of completing my Bachelor of Science in Architecture at University Technology Mara, Perak, Sri Skandar. Hopefully by the end of this video, you will get to know me more and what values I can add towards your company. I consider myself as highly dedicated, great leadership and great communication skills, and I believe my strongest traits are critical thinking in solving problems. This has helped me tremendously in this industry. To support that statement, I've received an award under Jabatan Pendidikan Kementerian Negeri Johor in 2019. As for software skills, I'm excellent at using any Microsoft software, including Google's, and I have basic knowledge of using AutoCAD, Rhino, and even SketchUp. And I am also excellent in Bahasa Melayu and English. Finally, I am highly dedicated and passionate. I guarantee you that you will not regret hiring me. I will put my best contribution towards your company. If you are interested in recruiting me, you can contact me via my email and phone number. That's all for today. Thank you for your time.